This is what came in the mail this afternoon. I'm surprised that High Point Scientific shipped it via the US Postal Service, but here it is. The box says ZWO on it, so I'm assuming it is my Seestar, and yes it is. First, it says Seestar S50, so it must be it. Very nice box. Let's take it out. And here it is. The Seestar S50 has landed. Let's see what's in the box. Ooh, as expected, it comes in its own hard case. Very nice. Let's find out which is up, which is down. All right, and there we go. This is the Seestar. Tripod. It has the ability to extend a little bit. Very sturdy tripod, I like it. Very sturdy. And then it is heavy. Either that or it is it fits nicely inside the box. See if we can get it out. There we go. I'm surprised that it is not in a plastic bag of any kind, but here it is, and it's a little bit awkward screwing it into the tripod, but there we go. With it comes the solar filter, USB cable, silica gel, and an entire owner's manual. Quick guide. And then safety guidelines. Do not look at the sun with it unless you have your solar filter on it. It does not open easily, so we're not going to try to open it. I tried turning on the power. The battery seems totally dead, which is fine. Nope, it is on. Okay. I got 3 lights. And if all goes well as planned tonight, Jupiter is going to be right next to the moon. So before long, we may be testing, we may be giving the Seestar first light. So here it is, the Seestar S50. Looking forward to not just first light, but comparing side by side the Seestar to the DWARF and to Stellina, and to see how well they do. I'm also preparing a list of targets. Tonight, if all goes as planned, I want to try Andromeda, Messier 31, the moon, obviously, and knowing that it is not intended for planetary viewing. I plan to hit Saturn and Jupiter, both of which will be good viewing this evening. So here is the Seestar, and look forward to many sessions of imaging with it. That's all for now. Join me back at the Rooster Inn Observatory for first light, maybe as early as tonight. So long.